Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into SE ranking, one of the most talked about SEO tools in the market right now. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this tool promises to be your ultimate SEO sidekick. But is it worth it? Let's find out. First up, the dashboard. Right off the bat, SE ranking's interface is clean, intuitive, and super beginner friendly. It's got everything laid out from keyword tracking to website audits. No fluff, just the tools you actually need. Let's talk keyword tracking. SE ranking lets you monitor your keywords in real time across multiple locations and devices. I love how detailed the data is. You are not just getting rankings but also traffic forecast and competition analysis. Pretty solid, right? Now, the website audit tool. This is one of my favorites. SE ranking scans your site for technical issues like broken links, slow page speed, and even mobile friendliness. It's like having an SEO consultant at your fingertip. But wait, there's more. SE ranking also has tools for social media analytics and backlink checking. The backlink tool is great for spying on your competitors and finding link building opportunities. Okay, so let's talk about pricing. SE ranking is super affordable compared to competitors like Ahrefs or SEMrush. Plus, start at just $39 a month and you get a lot for the price point. Plus, they have a free trial so you can test it out before committing. So, is SE ranking worth it? Absolutely. It's packed with features easy to use and budget friendly. Whether you're managing your own site or working with clients, this tool can definitely level up your SEO game. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.